distress signal SOS through Morse light in accordance with Coleridge Annex 4 and ICS. Introduction. The distress signal SOS is an internationally recognized emergency signal used by ship to ask for immediate assistance at sea. According to International Marine Organization, Coleridge Annex 4 and the International Marine Organization International Code of Signals ICS. The signals may be transmitted through Morse light using short and long flashes of light. This method is commonly used when radio communication is unavailable or during emergencies where visual signaling is necessary. Meaning of SOS in Morse code. The Morse code for SOS is S 3 short flashes, O 3 long flashes, S 3 short flashes. Pattern short short short, long long long, short short short. This signal must be repeated continually until a reply as assistant is received. Method of transmitting the SOS signal. To transmit the distress signal, use Morse code. 1. Use an Aldous lamp, flashlight, signaling lamp or any strong light source. 2. Face the light toward the ship station on aircraft receiving the signal. 3. Flash the Morse light code clearly. Short flash, about 1 second. Long flash, about 3 seconds. 4. Follow the sequence. 3 short flashes, 3 long flashes, 3 short flashes. 5. Pause briefly, then repeat the signal continually. Example, flash, flash, flash. Flash, flash, flash. Flash, flash, flash. Under Coleridge Annex 4, this is recognized as an official distress signal, indicating grave danger and the need for immediate help.
Method of receiving the SOS signal. When receiving an SOS Morse light signal, observe the flashing pattern carefully. Identify the sequence: 3 short flashes, 3 long flashes, 3 short flashes. Confirm that is the international distress signal SOS. Acknowledge the signal if possible using Morse light or radio communication. Report the distress signal to the bridge officer or proper authorities immediately. Prepare to assist the distress vessel if required and safe to do so. Importance of Morse light signaling. Morse signaling remains important in maritime communication because it works even when radio systems fail. Can be used at night or during low visibility. Provide silent communication between vessels. Is recognized internationally under ICS and Coleridge regulation. The SOS distress signal transmitted through Morse light. It is an essential emergency communication method at sea. In according with Coleridge Annex 4 and the International Code of Signals, it is the Morse code pattern dit to request your orient assistance. Mariners must understand both transmitting and receiving procedures to ensure safety, quick response, and effective communication during maritime emergencies.